So guys, I don't know what happened to the bike. It just started cutting out as soon as I tried to give it throttle and let out of the clutch. I walked it home for a good while, and I was able to finally, eventually, kind of ride it home a little bit. It was easier on me that way too. But got it home and took the carburetor apart, thinking maybe it was the floats or something that I had bounced around too much and had knocked it away or something. And I emptied the carburetor of gas and I took it apart, put it back together, but it was doing the same thing, so I really don't know what's going on right now. And maybe try and figure it out in the future, but for now, I think the bike is down and we'll just have to see what happens. So,